Hello family, and welcome back to a new analysis video. In today's video, I'll be doing an update on StrongBlock. There has been a lot of things going on and a lot of bullish momentum as well from my previous analysis that I did. But first of all, I just want to thank everyone. We're almost to our goal here with 100 subscribers. Thank you everyone for contributing and helping me out as well and helping the channel and being a part of the community. I'm very excited to do these analyses. And if you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. I usually also do passive income plays. It'll be one or two plays that I do each week because I carefully want to craft the project that I want to get into and not just throw out any types of projects. I want to see a project that's doxed and has great leadership in it. So yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with StrongBlock. So first off, let's take a look at the nodes that has been created. We've seen an increase from the previous video, which I believe was about 409K. So a lot of people are taking advantage of this, which is great, okay? A long-term investment for a StrongBlock, and I believe in the project. And I like to see also my fellow mates believing in it and contributing and also buying nodes since they believe in the project as well. But let's take a look at the analysis from the last video. So in the 1 hour here, we've drawn the downtrend that I drew before, which I stated that I would love for the price to go out of this zone, which was at the time at these current levels. So if I zoom in here, I stated that I would like to see a retracement back here, where we would have a zone and trading sideways for a bit before we break out. And unfortunately, that didn't happen. But I've had my zone here, which we did go out there one time, and then we retraced back to the zone that I drew before. Which, as we can see here, it created a supply here and a demand, which price went up, wicked, as we can see here. It wicked up to these prices and to my resistance that I drew before, and then we bounced back off these levels here. So in a sense, it was a break in the retest, and as we can see as well in the 1 hour, we had an uptrend here, which we can see. But then we broke it and we were in a downtrend for a couple hours here, as we can see, about 6 or 7 hours. And we were oversold on the Bollinger Bands and as well, but there was a big volume, as we can see, and it wicked up all the way to the highs of the previous one, which was about 170, as we can see here, and it created another resistance here. And but yeah, if you could take a look here as well, we have the EMA, which happened to several times where the supply happened and the resistance where the EMA crossed, and we had a reflection and bearish momentum right after, as we can see here. But overall, if I zoom out as well, we're currently we were in a downtrend here as well in the 1 hour, as we can see, and we finally broke out of it after several hours. And just previously, maybe several hours before, we had an EMA cross, and as well as another bullish momentum that we saw with the divergence and the RSI being oversold. So this was a great buying opportunity here, and at the 137, which we had. And we're currently been on a so price is currently at about 141 right now. So price has been still in the sideways movement. As we can see, one of my favorite patterns that I like to take a look at in the price, we've had a break over here, which we rebounced off of these levels here at the 144, which we then saw momentum happen to the bullish momentum in the sideways here. And as we can see as well, we were oversold right here. So when this created, there was another divergence that happened here, which was indicating another great buying opportunity as well. But overall, in the last couple of hours, so about last 6 hours, we're still in this zone here, about 145 to the 141. And so what I would like to see for the price at the 1 hour term is for the price to break out of these zones, and touch these areas right here of resistance at 146, and then we would see a rebound and a retest, and then go up to the supply here and resistance, because this is a similar order block, which I will do another video about talking about what an order block is, and getting the investors who decided to sell here. Okay, So I would love to see another retracement back to the 161 at these levels here. And since we've created a demand right here at the levels that I've drew at my downtrend, and let's take a look at the 5 minutes. Actually, let me talk about more about the 1 hour as well. So as we can see, there's also another demand right here. So if price does break these levels, we could see another retracement. So if it breaks out of these levels, we could see another retest of the resistance here at 141 and then bounce back down to the 134 levels, which hopefully doesn't happen. But this is crypto, okay? Nothing is guaranteed, and we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. But this is just a simple analysis and something that I look forward for strong. Hopefully it continues its momentum. But overall, 1 hour, another cross that's about to happen for the EMA. So we could be seeing a rise down to the bearish side. Okay, just keep that in mind. 5 minutes. Take a look at what's happening in the 5 minutes area. So if I zoom out for a little bit, we can see that from my line that I drew out, we've broken that bearish momentum, and we were in the zone that I drew out at the 1 hour. So we are currently trading the zone, but keep in mind that the 135 area is very crucial for another demand and a retest that could happen. But overall, hopefully strong is in the range of market right now for the 5 minute and the 1 hour. But we hope to see a break of retest at the 146 for the upside and a bearish momentum downside. Unfortunately, if it does break the 139 and a retracement back to 135 could happen as well. But overall, EMA is as well as at the bullish side, but we could see a retracement back down to the bearish, which I've drawn out, and hopefully in these range we can break and go to the upside. But yeah, guys, that makes up for strong analysis. If you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned to the next one. Take care and stay blessed.